Introduce features. Interest and fast overview of MSAFF dual 1080p camera for cars. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. This dual dash cam equipped with 1920x 1080 front and inside camera simultaneously records front and inside. 2.7-inch LCD screen deliver clearer videos and images. 2-channel dash cam with wide angle without blind spot captures all-around details as a travel recording or important video evidence in insurance case disputes. It is your superior choice for family travel / Uber / taxi / ride-sharing drivers. The G sensor with adjustable off / low / middle / high options that suitable for all kinds of vehicle and road conditions. Loop recording will prevent memory card running out of space. The car camera support Max Class 10, 256GB micro SD card, not included, allow you store important video evidence and happy time video with family on road trips. 24 hours parking mode makes the dual car camera to automatically record when it detects motion, automatically start and record when the car starts. Auto LCD off timer ensure you won't be disturbed by another glowing rectangle on your windshield. Ideal for most climates, -4 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, -20 to 70 degrees Celsius. Excellent audio recording with built-in microphone. Time-lapse function automatically takes photos at specified intervals. The combination of f1.8 large aperture, WDR ensures the clarity of images at night. Eliminates the need for an auxiliary light source even in low-light environments, making it easy to obtain sharp, color-accurate images. Car license plates can be easily seen in low-light condition. If you want to get full highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.